Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and we back with another unboxing. Today we're gonna review a piece that I received about a week ago from Hidden, New York. Now, before we review this, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn notifications so you never miss out on any of my future unboxings. So today I'm gonna show you some nice fire merch that I've received from the newest Hidden drop. They had a lot of merch available this drop. So they had some t-shirts, as you see here. They had some hoodies. They had some pants. They had some button-ups. They had it all. They had it all. They had a lot of merch this time. They had some cargo pants, more cargo pants, and I finally received it. Let's open this up. I ended up getting a hoodie, just right here. Says Hidden. This is a fire grab. Fire grab. I love their hoodies. I get so much compliments just by the original one that I got. So definitely W hoodie. W font, W colors, W fade. So here we have the Hidden New York hoodie. Oh, it smells like brand new. Oh my god. So you got the like bluish, like turquoise type color, all broken up. You can tell like that's just how it's made. It's fire. It's like cracked. The letters are cracked. And then this gives me like a grayish, like I don't know, like color, like off color. Y'all let me know in the comments below. This gives me like blue, light, super, like this is like a cloud blue. I don't even know how to explain it, but this is insane to me. They always win. They always win. They're fire. I never have been disappointed by their work. This is super fire. And yeah, this is my second hoodie from them. This is a great hoodie. I'm telling you, people love this hoodie. The font is crazy. It gives me like anime font. Like they're winning. Like this is fire. They got it down packed. And I like how they do like the off color, like where it fades out in different places. I don't see that anywhere. This is definitely great. 100% cotton. I wish they had like in StockX or something where I can go over, but they don't really go into details. Only when you're shopping. That's when you only have it available so that you can read the material and stuff. But this is 100% cotton, you can tell. But this right here is the Sports Center hoodie vintage wash, and it's an emerald color. We're just gonna say that it's an emerald color. I like it. It was super fire. I paid $145 as you see, $12 shipping, and I ended up getting those other 3 shirts as well. I'm still missing stuff. I ordered more stuff and I still haven't got it. I ordered more stuff and I still haven't got it, but it's fine. I'm telling you, I'm patient. It's cool. Doing it for the channel. Let me know in the comments below. Is this a yay or nay? Is this something you would buy? Honestly, this is a W fit. This is a W hoodie. Let me know in the comments below if you ever had any Hidden merch. They're doing something right. And I've said this in my previous video. So this is the hoodie. You have the Hidden in the middle and like that bluish turquoise color. You have the Hidden logo right here, the New York company right here. But yeah, enough of going over this. Let's go ahead and try this on. Let me know if you think this is a W hoodie, L hoodie in the comments below. This is what we have here. This is the Hidden New York sports hoodie, vintage wash in emerald color, size medium. But that wraps up our item review for this Hidden New York hoodie. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews. We'll catch you in the next video. We out.